Another huge volatility for today. We got BWEN squeeze over 100%, and we discussed in our pre-market update, and we said that the price will hit the $4.70 if we hold above the $2.73 support. After that, we discussed the other stock on our watch list, which is BIOR. As well, we said that $9.29 should be the ultimate profit taken and squeeze area for this stock. And the price went down, as we suggested, below the $7 first profit taken, $7.45, and the price went toward the $9.50. I spoke about it in our watch list today before the market opened, and the price right now is below the $9.29. After that, we're going to discuss AVYA. We were hunting for this stock before because it was accumulating above the 18-cent support, and we said this accumulation area, and we talk about this level of support, which is the 22 cents. And we said if we hold it, we're going to have the 28 cents, then the 35. Now we're going toward the second profit taking and squeeze area for AVYA. AMC, we did chart analysis as well, alert for this breakout zone, the $4.38, and the price continued to go higher once we broke it, and we went for the first profit taken and see what happened. The moment that we test our profit taken, we got rejected. We're going to discuss why and where the price will go after that. GameStop, we discussed this last year for this bottom above the $15, and the price reversed today, September last year. Imagine the price was around this triangle, and we said if we broke this triangle from below, we're gonna have this reversal area above the 15. And today we visited this level after almost 3 months. Lastly, ape, because the price had a huge volatility, and we said the $1.58 is our breakout zone and resistance, and see how much resistance we got from the short sellers around the $1.58 breakout zone. So this is clear that the short seller put huge short or put options for ape, and that's why the price got rejected and closed below the $1.45. So we're gonna discuss as this it for ape, and we got rejected. This means the price will go down or we're gonna have squeeze. Let's dive right in and discuss our first stock on our list, which is BWEN. This stock is been pretty volatile, and we discussed this profit taken around the $4.70, and we triggered this profit taken today when the market opened after we cleared the $3.70, and we held above our support, the $2.73. And now the price is still pumping 87%, and the volume is 46 million. So this stock is not finished yet because it's still holding our support, the $2.73, and there's a possible profit taking after that. We're going to discuss this tomorrow as well in the pre-market, because this stock will have another jump if we clear the $4.70. Now, in the time being, we have another support, the $3.90, and we bounced from it lately, and we have a huge accumulation happening. This stock is pretty volatile. That's why we have to do chart analysis for the breakout zone and the profit taken in order to get in and get out. The hunter way of trading for this stock. The other one, the same scenario, is pretty volatile stock. It's called BIOR. We hunted this in the pre-market, and we suggest to take profit exactly around the $9.29. And the price just tested our level of resistance and just got shorted. Now we have a support around the $5.35 and bottom toward the $3.56. So what's the game plan for this stock? The same for this stock as the other one. We have to do chart analysis, update, and pre-market to discuss the price level movement for the stock, because those kind of stocks, either they jump in pre-market and the first hour in the trading session, or in the power hour. So we have to watch out for the breakout zone for the $9.29 and short opportunity toward the $5.35 if we don't hold it. So we're gonna do update for this breakout zone and where the price would go next. AVYA, oh man, 68% for this stock. We were hunting for this stock and waiting for this breakout zone since last year in December, when we said this accumulation area is really important to hold for AVYA. and we discussed the 18 cent as the last bottom to hold. And guess what? We held it perfectly, and the price was accumulating. And today in a pre-market, we jumped. We said for pre-market, we have to take two profit, around the 28 cent and then the 36 cent. Now we hitting our second profit taking and jumping more higher. Let me just update our support. The support is around the 27 cent now, and the breakout zone the 37. We might get rejected there. Yeah, we might get rejected around the 37. If we got rejected, we need to hold above this current support at 33 to continue to go higher. Oh man, this play, it look really interesting. Boom. We're gonna have this reaction pretty soon. We're gonna update this stock as well in pre-market because there's still volatility for this stock. AMC is doing really all right after the alert that we did when the market opened. I have this alert to breakout from the $4.38. That's why I have to do short analysis for my hunters. And we discussed the $4.38 as a breakout zone and profit taking around this $4.77. That's why the price got rejected. So what's the game plan now? AMC have a really good reaction now, another flag forming over there, and there's another potential for squeeze for AMC. Let me just update our level. We have the $5. There's another breakout toward the $5. Yes. Now the $4.38 turning to support. Let me just update this level. Yes. It look really interesting. Let me just go in a big picture. $4.23 is our support. And we have another breakout happening right now for AMC toward the $5. So the $5 will be a potential break right now for AMC to go higher toward the $5.37 squeeze area. We're going to do update, of course, for AMC. After that, where the profit taken. GameStop went from the 15 bottom as we discussed it last September last year and pumped almost 30% toward the 19 or around the $20. Where the price will go now, we are not clear yet. Let me just update our level. We have a clear rejection around the 1962. We need to overcome this level to continue to go higher. The 2960 is the next resistant to break to go toward the $28 squeeze. Yes, the $28 will be the squeeze area and the profit taken. Let me just make another profit taken for GameStop if we clear the 19, which is around the 22. Yes, perfect. So this is the bottom. We should respect the 15. Breakout zone is the 1964 and the first profit taken 22, and the squeeze area and the second profit taken is the $28. Lastly, we got Ape. So Ape is ready to reverse right now with AMC because we're still holding this ascending line. This is the most important level to hold for Ape to have a squeeze toward the 100% profit taking. This is really doable for Ape just if we clear this level of resistance where the short seller have to cover their share. Here, the $1.58 is clear where the short seller have to cover. And you know what's gonna happen after the short seller have to cover? We're gonna have a major mega squeeze for Ape to go toward the $2.80, then the $3.96. Those two level after this break, we're gonna have first profit taken 20%, second profit taken 77%, and the third profit taken 146%. We might have this reaction before the end of this month. So just watch for this level, holding above this ascending line, confirming the accumulation and the squeeze for Ape after we're gonna clear the $1.58 resistant and the breakout zone, the first breakout zone, of course. So watch out, we're still holding and accumulating. This reaction, I don't like this wick. However, we're still holding, we don't have a sell-off. So this is a good reaction from Ape because usually when the stock get rejected around any resistant level, we might have a huge sell-off. But for Ape, it's still holding. It means someone buying the dip for Ape and prevented it from going even further down. So I'm watching Ape, I'm gonna do short analysis update update and pre-market update for ape and the other stock that have potential to squeeze. As the other stock that we discussed earlier in the beginning of our video that jumped 100%, we might have another 100% tomorrow. So watch out for the update for our Hunter and Patreon, and as well on our TradingView community and our YouTube members. So let's get right to it and be ready to hunt for Thursday market. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.